Yanko Kumase na Kumase Metro Education Director ya David Opon wono so de nsama to dwachire mu sa FBC nsohwe na mayo no do so pa e wo hono ma kase no edi achi.
Owura David Owusu na eye Kumase Metro Education Director papai wo bere ne wo ba na de na kire mu e wo mia be se numa a wo twe so hwe bi e wo Kumase Metro no mu na wo chese afi e ma a wo tworo BC so hwe bi e wo Kumase Metro no e do so e chen me ma ne nkase mu e na wo chese e ye ni kasem.
Nkwada e tworo so hwe ni na ye 9846 e do so pa the total last year then who akosoro be 5.8 nkwala be 572 and I become, which is very good. Ye chemu mienu a ye hwe ma ne be ma femu a ma ewo mu eye 5153 what they call percentages are ye be ka say 52% and na ma so a ewo mu be ma ewo mu ye 46,693 and you 48%. Sana will become now centers higher examinations 35 and a walk massive to her. And all over massive centers are spread around.
Nenkasi mu na ochese ebesi samire ya ene wode krata edi nkan akwa wiye no we hu ehaw bia e won sohwe ekiro ni mu.
And so far the oba massive to her so hen do so a koso kama boni bia esi ha. Until you better work as a better Ghana Education Service, the Ministry of Education to us. Dear, Nipa Bako, and I had to say Wamba. Aquadano Yare, till I went to Amba. You said Colano, any year of the runs of him, young found the room. Ombidim, no more to us, a whole machine.